I can't wait to show you this fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit at the Oliver. Now this is what I call a room with a view. Every suite at the Oliver has a spacious balcony where you can check out the activity of the Beltline or the action at High Park. I can picture myself entertaining friends right here at this convenient dining table island feature. I just love the modern finish to these cabinets. And again, so spacious. And check out these incredible top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. The layout of the 1-bedroom and storage is so efficient. And with all this extra space, you can store your pets' toys, cleaning supplies, whatever you need, while keeping it all out of sight. The premium 1-bedroom suites at the Oliver have significantly larger patios. So come on, let's go check it out. This premium 1-bedroom suite is absolutely spectacular and perfect for any couple. And you've got a stunning kitchen and living area that makes entertaining guests a dream. And check out these 9-foot ceilings. Everything feels so bright and spacious. Every couple knows how nice it is to have double sinks. And the bonus? Backlit mirrors that make it ideal for getting ready. We're in the stunning lobby of the Oliver with its beautiful gold accents and modern detail, and you'll always feel welcome and secure with their 24-hour concierge. And if you're craving something to eat, you're in luck, because Pazzi Pizza and Fleetwood Lounge are directly off the lobby. The amenity bar here at the Oliver is fully loaded. You've got a pool table, a full bar to entertain your guests, shuffleboard, and arcade games. Fix yourself a cup of coffee at the complimentary kitchen. And let your pup enjoy the dog run while you stay cozy indoors. So there you have it, an in-depth tour of Calgary's latest and most trendy Beltline residences. It's right here at the Oliver, where you want to be.